Hello, little explorers. Today we're going on a journey of change, growth, and transformation. Are you ready? Let's dive into the incredible life cycle of a butterfly. Our story begins in a beautiful garden. Among the green leaves, on a tiny branch, there sat a very special egg. Meet Luna, our hero. But Luna wasn't just an ordinary egg. Inside, a tiny creature was growing, just waiting for the right moment to come out. And then one day, crack! Out came our wiggly new friend, Luna. But wait, Luna wasn't a butterfly yet. She was a tiny, wiggly caterpillar, also called a larva. And Luna was so hungry. She munched on leaves, and more leaves. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Every day, she ate and ate and ate to eat. And guess what? She grew bigger and bigger. After a week or two, Luna felt different. Sleepy. She crawled onto a safe branch and attached herself with a silky thread. Hanging upside down in the shape of a J. Then protective shell began to form around her. This stage is called a pupa. And for butterflies, it's called a chrysalis, not a cocoon. Moths have cocoons, but butterflies don't. Inside, Luna's body was changing, transforming, getting ready for the next stage of her journey. For about 10 days, Luna stayed hidden inside her chrysalis. But then, one morning, the chrysalis wiggled, crack. A tiny opening appeared, and out came Luna. But she looked a little strange. Her wings were small, crumpled, and wet, and her abdomen was swollen with fluid. Hanging upside down, she slowly pumped fluid into her wings, helping them grow strong. After about an hour, they were fully expanded and dry. And then, whoosh! Luna flapped her wings and took her very first flight. Luna fluttered from flower to flower, sipping sweet nectar. And one day, she found the perfect leaf, and laid tiny eggs, just like the one she came from. And soon, a new life cycle would begin. And that, my friends, is the amazing life cycle of a butterfly. Just like Luna, many animals go through life cycles: frogs, beetles, bees, and even some fish. Nature is full of amazing transformations. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and never stop being curious. Until next time, little explorers. Bye-bye.